Good morning, guys. What's up? So today we're gonna do something on the Tacoma. I've been meaning to do this for a while and I completely forgot until a couple days ago. My buddy Chris, shout out Chris, bro, he sent me a picture of him doing the interior LED lights. So I went ahead and purchased them too. I've seen some people do like these kits, but they're like $30–40 kits. What better place than Amazon, right? It's like $20. So got the package and we're gonna be doing interior lights. So yeah, it comes with these, I forget what they're called, the center lights, right? The vanity lights and the license plate light. Let's get into it. Let's open it up. All right, so the package comes with a little tool to do all your work. We'll take a look at that later. Let's get to the good stuff. Lights, baby. I'm glad my buddy sent me the link for these because I never even thought about checking Amazon. If you guys are watching this video, you guys probably already have a Tacoma. So you guys get an idea of what the stock lights are. Let's go ahead and do the vanity. Let's pop the little light out. So let's just try it. Bump that up. Just a tad. There we go. Dude, that is so bright. Install this back on. This is just so you guys can see the difference already. That is such a difference. Even in the daytime, look, before, after. That's insane. I can imagine what that's gonna look like at night. Dude, this one right here. These are map lights. You gotta pull these. You don't wanna crease the tape like that. You got the duct tape. Tape it around the bulb. The tape's not sticking. It's way too hot. Let me try it one more time. Yeah, dude, it's way too hot out here. Holy crap, it doesn't even stick to it. So what's the temperature like right now? 90 degrees. Let's see what it feels like. Feels like 90, all right. Yeah, it's hot. Would you look at that? You gotta let it sit. And just yank. Let's get that other one in. So this one right here. Sweet, look at the difference. Alright, time to do that one. I'll do these ones. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back and show you guys the back. I'm not gonna show you guys doing this because it's literally the same for each side. So the dome light, nice and simple. There you go. Don't drop it like I did. Just pull this little tab back. Pop that bulb out. I'm gonna replace it with the LED counterpart. There you go. And the dome light is on. Alright, so the license plate LEDs, I thought you were supposed to take it from the front, but just twist and pull. You're just gonna want to twist it and pull it out. There's our light. You're just gonna want to pull the light bulb out. The same one as the map lights. There we go. We're good to go. After multiple tries, I ended up getting it out. So you gotta get it from underneath, like I showed you doing the right side. It might be a little hard to twist it. I managed to get some pliers under there and twist it off, and then just pop that light in, pop the socket back in, and you're good to go. I'm gonna wait till nighttime to show you guys how bright it is. I'm gonna wait and sit a couple hours until it's nighttime. So 3, 2, 1. There we go, just like that. Here we go, let's take a look at it. Vanity lights. Oh, that is so bright. Holy, that lights up super well. Holy crap, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. That's so bright. It's so bright and new. I'm stoked with it, yeah. Way better than the stock bulbs. Super stoked with these, dude. Let's take a look at the license plate lights. There we go. That looks good. Look at how bright that is in there. That is so bright. I'm stoked with that. If you guys are looking for a cheap option for your interior light for your 3rd generation Tacoma, the link's down below. It was $18.99 off of Amazon. So the link's gonna be down below. I'm honestly like shocked at like how bright it is right now. I'm super stoked with that. If you guys have any questions about anything, any comments or any concerns, just let me know down below. And as always, I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace out.
I can't believe it's happening.